Hey guys, today my mom's showing you 3 beautiful fishtail braids. Let's jump right into the first one, the half-up hairstyle. Start by taking a small triangular section at the front and split it into two. Cross the two sections once. Now, grab small pieces from the outer side and cross them under to the opposite side. As you cross under, start adding hair from the same side into the braid. Once you reach the side of the head, stop adding hair and continue the fishtail braid with the two sections. To give it a fuller look, gently pull the side of the braid as you go. Tug again for volume and secure it with an elastic. And there you have it, the stylish half-up fishtail braid. Let's move on to the next look. Now, here's a key trick to make this braid look super polished. Lift the top braid and split the rest of the hair into two. Place the top braid in between, then start a fishtail braid with the two sections. After a few stitches, split the top braid and blend it into the current braid. This helps hide the base of the first braid and keeps everything looking neat. And that's our second look, the combined fishtail braid. Let's turn this into an updo. For the fishtail updo, twist the braid and pin it in place with bobby pins. Keep pinning until it's secure. And that's it, a super easy and elegant fishtail updo. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. See you next time.